More B-roll. So that was all the cars on the parade. Bloody hell, that rain was cold. So the sun's about again, sun's back out, and we're going to wander back up the pits of the paddock. That's a lazy man's walk, his drive. Nice, eh? He's got writing on top of his exhaust box that says hot.
I know, I just got
a coffee cup. I've got a cup over.
You should do that and have the hot as your coffee cup.
Yeah, I want to do some writing around it. It says it's always brew time somewhere or something like that.
Ah, yes.
One thing I don't know if your car's like this, but
yeah, that would be just a little personal touch, wouldn't it?
Hello. Hold on, I'll show. That's nice. I like the roof scoop. Nice stuff.
yeah, you will, yeah.
And I think that's probably it. So we'll walk around the paddock, I think. I don't think there's anything fresh arrived since we, that's crooked. I think it's out fresh arrived since we walked down. So we might have a wander back to car, see if it's going to dry out any. I might go out and do a few laps in this afternoon session, but ain't feeling it, to be honest. The appeal of getting home and then having a sleep is higher.
I can't tell it to stop being on the road.
Got blow by and it's run out these squares.
Track was drying up a bit.
Yeah, more people are starting to go out. You see it's starting to dry. Oh, this is the other gem. That's the gem we was talking about.